The e-commerce world is expanding. Competition is getting fierce. Customers are more demanding. We have to improve our supply chain to overcome these challenges. When you work with a new supplier, you have to manage multiple steps from supplier audit, sampling, contract negotiation, production, quality control, and shipping. The whole process can be quite troublesome, especially when working with multiple suppliers for different products. Each supplier can result in high costs, fraud, bad quality, and late shipments. Any issues during these steps can potentially damage your supply chain, resulting in a huge financial loss. This is where Supplyia sourcing comes in. We will be working with and managing all of your different suppliers from source to delivery. We are making your supply chain much simpler and more efficient for you. Supplyia is providing a total solution from source to delivery. Product sourcing, supplier management, new product development, product branding, dropshipping, quality control, Amazon FBA prep, warehousing, and shipping. By connecting to Supplyia Suppliers Network, you get full access to more than 3,000 high-performance manufacturers and expand your supply chain right away. We can help you find the best match manufacturers supplying you high-quality and profitable products. We will also help you achieve your sourcing goals, cost savings, higher quality, branding, faster delivery, helping you expand and grow your business. Supplyia have created the standard of efficiency and reliability. For every order, our expert team will follow up on each detail step by step from sourcing to delivery. Supplier research, customization, order management, quality control, logistics, after sales. By implementing the standard on the whole supply chain, we make sure you get the right product under the right price by the right delivery on every order. We will always deliver our commitment to you. Customer first, 100% risk-free, transparency, privacy, due diligence. Whatever business you are in, wholesaler, retailer, online sellers, Supplyia sourcing will be the key to improving your supply chain and helping your business take off. Welcome to Supplyia.